In this question, if mod of z square minus 1 equal to mod z the whole square plus 1, then z lies on which one of the following? It is given that z square minus 1 mod equal to mod z the whole square plus 1, or we can write z square minus 1 mod the whole square equal to mod z the whole square plus 1 the whole square. We know that mod z the whole square is equal to z bar. Applying this formula, we will get z square minus 1 mod equal to one plus z bar the whole square. Here there is mod z. Or we can write z square minus 1 z bar square minus 1 equal to 1 plus z bar the whole square. Or we can write z bar square minus z square plus z bar square plus 1 equal to 1 plus 2 z bar plus z bar the whole square. Now we can cancel equal terms on both sides of the equation. Cancelling this term and this term, this one and this one, we get minus z square plus z bar square equal to 2 z bar. Rearranging the equation, we get z square plus 2 z bar plus z bar square equal to 0. That is z plus z bar square equal to 0. Or we can write z plus z bar equal to 0. That is twice real part of z equal to 0. Or we can write real z equal to 0. That means z lies on the imaginary axis. That is our answer. Correct option is option B, imaginary axis.